another standard for you remember for me. And in this, we're going to go to the months. So we can do any way you want to do it. December, January, February, February. Choose any month. It doesn't matter. April, okay, that's your primary month. We'll go back 1 month and forward 1 month. That's what holding hands is, okay? We're in the front and we're in the back. If we choose these three, we get 9, 15, 18. We get 4, 9, 12. 12 and 18 is a representation of 1, 4, 7, 3, 6, 9, because 1, 4, 7 equals 12, and 3, 6, 9 equals 18. We add them together, we get 18, 8, carry the 1, 4, 9, 13, 139, the one spirit of the star system. So all I'm actually doing right now is just showing that we're carrying 1 before, 1 after. If we run the piano gematria system, then the next month of January would be August. If we run a continuation, where we start over only in the leap year, and then we start over again every 400 years, or when there isn't a leap year, the continuation, just like the cycle of a season. We get 90, 91 days to a season, then we start over day 1 of the next season, which is actually day 92 of the continuation of the count, or in towards the 3rd season, which would be the 270, 71st, 72nd, or 73rd day, which brings us into the last season of the 275th day. Okay, so if we have November, we have number 2, because November, although it's the 11th month, 11 is 1 and 1 is 2, just like February. So would we carry February 2 as November 2 and August 8 to bring in the cycle? November, August, the cycle, and February, August, the cycle. Now, if we go to secondary count, where everything becomes a 2, where it's November, December, January, December is 2. December, January, February, where January is the 2 in between this cycle. The letters for November is 8, December is 8, February is 8. 3 months of 8 letters. Showing you what I add up. 18, 28, 38, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 61, 71, 81, 82, 92, 101, 116, add 1 to 16, and you have the touchdown, the 1 point, the 6 point, the 3 point. We're playing football. If we add up this section over here, I'll add it up in a single area. 9 and 6 is 15, 18, 24, 33, 41, 44, 52, Earth, which is 7. 7, 9, excuse me, we're not going to carry it. I'm going to just write that down. I wrote that down as 52. I'm writing it down as 52. If the pen, come on, Mr. Pen. There you go. 52 at the bottom. Then we're going to go 9, 14, 23, 32. And 9 is 41. And 8, 49, 59, 62. Nothing here. 69 in the second area. Earth's rotation. And there's only 1 and 69 and 52. So if we do the total count, we've got a 2. Carry the 5. 69 is 74. We have 742. 742. But now we're going to carry the 4. We have 42. Carry the 7. We have 842. The total count here is 842. 8, 4, and 2. Which would say 2 times 4 is 8. And that would say Venus inside the cycle of the creation of Pluto, which is exchanged for Saturn in Magic Square. Now, what does that say for you? This is the rotation of the spirit. Mercury comes in September, which is touchdown Mercury. September gets 9 letters, artificial intelligence into the letter S. This is 116, or we can also count 4, 8, 17, 18, 21, 22, 31, 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 36 would be 68 and 36. 104, 10, 4, which is communication. Now we can do a whole bunch of things. Now we're going to take this to the next level. November brings us Uranus inside of the sun. 1 and 4, DNA. December, which will be 64, will be a gateway. This will create a gateway. Any 10 will create a gateway. Gateway, 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 gateway. This is a red gateway. This is a black gateway. This is a black 61. This is a black gateway. Black gateway. 7th month, red gateway. Black gateway. 4th month, black gateway. Why do I say these? Because 2, 4, 6, 8 in months on the roulette wheel show me red and black, and 0, 1 becomes 6 and 1. 6 and 1 is 7. Okay. We have freedom inside December. We have birth in January. We have rotation in February. We have March of DC, altered current. We have April, which is the red sun. It's the AB red sun. May brings us the sky system. June, I'm a little confused about. I believe it's the June of the one moon, Luna, 50. Okay. July, 100 would be two of them, 250s. But let's not go that way right now. I have to think. July is the cat's month. A and U is life, one part of life, 22. 1111 is 22, 44, 66, and 88. 44 is a full life of one side. Remember, there's 4 parts to a clock. There's until 3 o'clock, there's until 6 o'clock, there's until 9 o'clock, and there's till 12 o'clock. And then there's, again, you have to do the same thing twice on the clock. What is this over here? This is just showing you, this is all you can do. You cannot touch the outside line. This is all you can do. And this is the same thing. This is basically the same thing. This was a mistake. Or was, excuse me, was this a mistake? No, this was, yes, it was a mistake. That's why it shows you the extended lines, right? Inside 383. Inside of this, it's E and E. This, the height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, once we go from here, okay, 1, 2, 3, we start over here. Every time you get 3, you start over. Why do you start over? Because look, 1, this touches this one, this touches this one. This one is still needed to this one, and once we get to this one here, we no longer need this one over here. So we start again. 1, 2, 3. Then the minute I go to this one goes away. It's like I'm going down. My hand's going down. You don't see anything. My hand's going down, and then look, 1 finger disappears, 2 fingers disappears, and then the next cycle will come on top of it, and you won't notice if it's part of it, or if it's something, or if that's added to it. You won't be able to actually see what it is. So do you know what I'm saying? So, and I've mentioned this in a video before. What is this up here? Santa Anita. It's a racetrack, and I see it connected to Santa Claus, the claws of life, the 9 lives of the cat, the claws of life. Del Mar's LED. Del Mar is a racetrack. The LED light me up. So I'm not really sure what to do to this. But like I said, you're the mind of it all. I'm just bringing these things. I want to enlighten one person that will enlighten us all with a reality that says, hey, this is what I think this means. This means something to me. Maybe we can take it one step more, because we have to rebuild what has fallen down. March, DC, 4 and 3, 1 times 3, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 3, 3 and 4, SNS. In this month over here. We bring these two together, it becomes 95. Now there was one other thing I wanted to mention. I don't think I've done the video yet. I'm going to